Hi, in this tutorial we're going to review and discuss adding a menu item to the front end of your site to Event Registration Pro. As you'll see, this is a bare bones installation of Joomla 2.5, and you'll see our main menu and our sidebar menus do not have any links to Event Registration Pro. So we'll come to the back end and we'll go to the menu, main menu, and we'll add a new menu item. We'll select the type. We'll scroll down to Event Registration Pro here, and you'll see many different menu item types that you can choose from. Pretty self-explanatory. You can choose, the top one is for a specific category with the calendar view. If you do the event calendar, the second item, what you'll get is the actual calendar, and it'll show all the events from all categories. You can select event category, and this will link to a specific list of events within a certain category. You can select event day, which is going to show a list of events for a specific day. Event details, this will link directly to a specific event. So if you only have one event, you may want to use this, and that will link directly to the event, and you don't have to go to a list and then select the event from the list. This will take your users to an actual list of events, and this is all categories, and this is the one that we're going to be using. And the event location, you can actually link directly to a location. If, say, you have 4 or 5 different locations that have different events, and you want to have menu items specific for each location, you can do that. So we're going to choose events list, and we'll just call this events, and there's nothing else to do other than that. So we'll refresh the front end, and now this site down here you'll see events. Now this links directly to a list of events, and since we only have one, you're only going to see one. Right here is our event category. If we have multiple events in multiple categories, you'll see whatever color background your event category has selected will be here. These are collapsible, and you can have them collapsed by default depending on your configuration settings. All of these columns for your price, we never set a price for this event when we created it, so it's going to show free. So everything right now is showing by the default settings, and you can show the location. There's all these columns actually have a lot of different settings in the configuration file. You can even customize your date time settings so that they can show, if you don't want it to show military time, you can configure that. And then once you click on the event, it's going to actually open up the event details page. Now remember, I said in one of the other menu item types, you could link directly to this page so that you don't actually go to this page. It'll link directly to this page, which is going to bypass a couple of steps.